Should I quit YouTube? The answer's no. It's been tough trying to figure out how to get more subscribers. Currently I'm at 606 subscribers and I know how I want to help people. I'm not the best editor. I'm not the best speaker, but I know what I want. And I'm desperate. Every little subscription helps, every little one. So I thank you, everyone that subscribed and that continues to subscribe, thank you. I want to quit my current job. I need to make this work. Please help me. Please help me. If you're thinking about quitting YouTube, don't. Because remember this, you did this for you. You did this to build your community. So you're talking to your community, your specific community. And that's all you need, is people like you, that think like you, that want to be like you with your group. Talking about what you want to talk about, being authentic. As I said, I'm not the best editor, so I don't need to edit all these videos and make them really no one might listen, and it does matter. I can make my videos better, and I'll do that. But it's so important to be authentic. Like, for example, let me just get a book. Right, so this book here is Zen Sand, the book of capping phrases for koan practices. Now this is about Zen, okay? So if I open it up to a random page, so the thing about this book is it's about koans. So these are things that you say to yourself and you try and figure out the meaning of them. So I'm going to give you one. The mountain fruit picked by the blue monkeys, the fish in the pond eaten by the white herons. Yeah, so that's Educational Monday.